You can see the newly introduced Indian Air Force veteran badge, which was earlier having a velcro layer. Now we have improved this badge with magnets also. You can see 3 strong magnets behind, and it is also coming with velcro layer. See, I am trying to open the velcro layer. It is so strong it cannot be opened with one hand. Somebody has to pull it with 2 hands. I am removing the magnets now, and you can put it on any blazer or half coat. I am just taking it to the coat to demonstrate how does it work. Similar patches I am making for Army and Navy also. See, there is a coat hanging here, half coat. I am just trying to demonstrate how does it work. This one is already stitched onto this from back side, so you can't remove it. So this was the difficulty in previous patches. Now I made it user friendly. Now I am just trying to use it with magnets. I am just holding with finger. I am using the magnets back side. I have fixed the magnets. You can see 3 magnets back side. Now I put 3 magnets back side. You can see 3 magnets which I put back side. Front side you can see. Now it is so strong, even if you pull it also it will not come down. I am trying to pull it from back side, up and down. It's not coming down or up. It is so strong, you can use it. Same thing here. Since it is already fixed here, so I don't have any place to demonstrate, just I am using the existing coat. So this is very strong. This will resolve the problem of damaging the existing coat, or you want to change the coat every time, which was not possible earlier. Now you can buy these patches for $3.99. Thank you.